Cities are frontrunners in the climate transition all around the world, and Stockholm is part of the mission to climate neutrality. Stockholm has a long history of climate mitigation, but our goal is to reach even further, to a climate-positive Stockholm by 2030. We are also focusing on a just transition and to reduce our consumption-based emission by 50%. It is important that we work together as cities, in Sweden within the Viable Cities and in Europe. And we are happy to contribute with our knowledge so far. But we are also eager to learn from you, cities all around the world. Together we can save the planet.
Stockholm is confronting climate challenges. Extensive and important work is underway, and the necessary transitions need to be fair. Those with a high environmental impact will need to contribute the most to the solutions, while vulnerable groups will need to be protected. Agenda 2030 is a unifying force in sustainable change, and Stockholm aims to be a leader in doing so. We're committed to being fossil-free by 2040. Stockholm should be climate positive as soon as 2030, and we integrate sustainability in all policies. Over 80% of buildings in Stockholm are connected to the city's district heating and cooling system, which uses 99% renewable or recycled fuels. The Stockholm Data Parks project helps in converting ICT businesses' excess heat into usable energy. We also have the Stockholm Exergi facility, Europe's largest biomass-based power plant, where the BECCS carbon capture technology is now being developed. The Stockholm Royal Seaport, a former industrial and port area, is now being developed into a sustainable eco-district that emphasizes digitalization and civic consultation. In order to make the city more climate resilient, Stockholm is making several improvements. For example, tree canopy coverage is being increased. Since Stockholm is a city of water, our tap water comes from Lake Mälaren, and the Henriksdal's wastewater treatment plant is one of the most modern in the world and helps ensure a cleaner Baltic Sea. Public transport is popular, but Stockholmers also love riding bikes, and the number of bicycle riders has doubled over the last 15 years. The number of electric vehicle charging stations is rapidly growing, and the citizens play an active role in these positive changes. Stockholm collaborates globally in the efforts to improve quality of life for a good life for all within the boundaries of the planet. Welcome to Stockholm.